You go somewhere, when you go somewhere, I can barely talk because I talk to 900 girls per day. When you go somewhere regularly, they hate you. You already know what I'm talking about. Restaurant, your favorite food place, coffee shop, hold on, let me fix this. Coffee shop is one of the number one thing. When you sit down with your laptop, they don't stand you, they don't like you, and especially if you think if you're black they have a promise with you. Not necessarily. If you're black and if you're white, you're good. If you're Latino, you might be still good. If you're Chinese, they might really forget like, oh, he's there. But if you're a little bit at the middle, oh, who is this? We cannot figure it out. Who are you? Are you from Trinidad, Guyanese, Brown, Middle East? If you're even Russian or if you're Italian, let's say you're Italian and you had a car accident on your face and your face got twisted, and there's no way they cannot tell that either he's Spanish or Italian. Second time you came in or third time, boom, that's it. This woman's and man's behind, even their manager, their alpha male managers, gonna start talking crap and stuff. And I'm trying to figure it out what is the psychology behind it. Now listen to this. I did this experiment. I did this test with Filipinos. You also have to watch out with the Filipinos. You cannot be friendly and you cannot be just go chit chat around with these service places or this regular spot. Okay, you cannot do that. You cannot be so friendly. Even if you see a Thai people and you came back from Thailand and you go to their places and be like, yo, I love Thailand. Oh my God, I love this place. You cannot even give compliment to this service. Do you know that? Even if you give them a tip, they have always something to say because they cannot stand you because you're so early to show up. I'm not talking about 7. You're just going there every day. Obviously, where else are you going to go? If it's suburbs, you're going to go to the mall, you're going to go to the service place. A lot of these friendly men and a lot of this sweethearted, good-hearted men, they think they have to spend. Okay, please, I'll pay you all the tips. Or, oh, okay, please give me 2 coffee, give me 3 coffee, or 1 coffee, 2 bagels. I'm just giving an example. Okay, I'm buying second time, third time, right? You think that buying extra, they're going to accept you, or, I know it sounds kind of like it's a people-pleasing type of thing. But guess what? They do not care how much you spend. They always have something to problems. I talk to 900 people per day. I can barely talk right now. They will always have something to say. And guess what? The other guy that they don't even know that exists, or probably dumping on their bathroom and make a mess, that dude don't even have a house or not. That dude don't even pay a coffee, paid coffee from outside, or got a food from outside. They never spend or never even pay a tip, but they don't care about that dude. Okay, so this is the problems. I have also noticed that with the Filipinos, you have to be they're abroad, and please do not touch the Filipinos on inside the Philippines. I'm not talking about abroad. I don't know what's happening in Germany and France and other places, but in New York, oh my God, bro. Even if you were to go to a Filipino place as a gray culture, not a black or not a white, not a Chinese, go there with a gray culture, they cannot figure you out. They will always have to, if they ask you, they still don't know where you're from. They're going to ask you where you're from, but if they don't figure it out and you just go there by yourself without having a social somebody, they cannot figure it out, they have a problem. They're like, oh, okay, I think, and then you don't even know what they're saying behind your back. They can be labeling you with something very serious, and then the entire store can find out. Like that. This is the culture. I'm going to make a more video about that. But if anybody relate to this, if you're a good friendly man out there, the lone wolf, here we go, lone wolf. I'll try to hashtag that. I'll do multiple upload. Write it down in the comments, okay? Let's go you, let's go me. You should still go, okay? Just, before I leave. You should still go. You should always go. And don't do a chit chat, and don't do too much talking. They will ask you something. You will see sometimes the manager sending different type of girl on you to figure it out. Hey, are you from this town? Are you from this? Do not answer shit. Be mysterious. Make up a fake stories and then tell them that stories, but do not tell them the real place. You don't even have to tell them which town are you from. You can always make up like a VPN strategy. Okay, I'm from this town, that town, and I'm gonna be coming here all the time. Just at least label them that over.